Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we showcase some of the most stunning, luxurious, and jaw-dropping homes you've ever seen. Today's property is something truly special, a modern masterpiece that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and intelligent design. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From the very first moment you arrive, the architecture makes a statement. Clean modern lines, expansive glass, and a refined cream, gray, and golden palette create a look that feels both sophisticated and inviting. The curb appeal alone sets the tone for what's waiting inside. As we move through the entrance, you're immediately greeted by a sense of space, light, and intention. Every detail has been carefully designed to deliver that perfect balance between luxury and livability. One of the most impressive features of this residence is the optional Gen Smart Suite, a game changer for modern living. With its own private entrance, beverage center, and direct courtyard access, this space is ideal for multi-generational living, long-term guests, or even a private retreat. Flexibility like this is incredibly rare and highly sought after. Stepping into the heart of the home, the great room instantly commands attention. This is where design truly shines. The open layout, elegant fireplace, and dramatic stacking sliders create an environment built for both relaxation and entertaining. Natural light pours in, while the seamless indoor-outdoor flow transforms the entire living experience. This is the kind of space where memories are made, family gatherings, celebrations, quiet evenings, and everything in between. Flowing effortlessly from the great room, the kitchen is a true showpiece. Modern, functional, and visually stunning, it offers everything a luxury buyer could want. The oversized island, premium finishes, and sleek design make it as beautiful as it is practical. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, this kitchen delivers. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area continues the home's refined aesthetic. Clean lines, elegant lighting, and a welcoming atmosphere create the perfect setting for intimate dinners or lively conversations. But what truly elevates this layout is the thoughtful separation of spaces. Tucked discreetly behind the main living areas, a dedicated office provides the quiet, focused environment today's lifestyle demands. In a world where work-from-home flexibility is more important than ever, this feature adds immense value. Toward the rear of the residence, we discover another standout feature, the sophisticated lounge. Complete with its own beverage center, this space is designed for unwinding, entertaining, or indulging in your favorite hobbies. It's a private escape within the home, offering both comfort and style. Now, let's talk about one of the most important spaces in any luxury home, the primary suite. And this one does not disappoint. Designed to feel like a five-star resort retreat, the suite offers a level of comfort and refinement that's truly exceptional. The spacious layout, serene color palette, and private deck create a sanctuary where you can begin and end each day in absolute tranquility. The walk-in closet is equally impressive, generous, elegant, and designed for both beauty and functionality. The primary bathroom continues the spa-like experience with premium materials, clean modern lines, and a calming atmosphere that rivals high-end hotels. Throughout the home, the design language remains consistent, modern, refined, and timeless. Every room feels intentional, every transition seamless. With 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a spacious 3-car garage, and nearly 4,000 square feet of beautifully crafted living space, this residence checks every box for elevated modern living. But beyond the numbers and features, what truly makes this property remarkable is how it feels. Bright yet warm, luxurious yet comfortable, impressive yet livable, this is the type of home that instantly captures attention and leaves a lasting impression. Homes with this level of design, flexibility, and lifestyle appeal are incredibly rare, especially in highly desirable communities like this. If you're searching for modern luxury, intelligent layout, and everyday elegance, this home represents an extraordinary opportunity. Thank you for joining us on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next showcase of incredible properties. And remember, your dream home may be just one tour away.